Good morning, everybody. This is Dave Fry, ETF Digest with an ETF in focus. Let's take a look at ITB, the Homebuilders Index. And why we're looking at it is because we had a very terrible report this morning on the home sales. If you follow Dave's Daily, you'll see that I wrote on the box, on the chart last night, that I thought the rally in ITB was, quote, BS, close quote. If you look at the overall trend on this weekly chart, which does not have today's data in it, you can see the trend has been decidedly lower ever since the high in May. This is occasioned, of course, by what's going on with interest rates. This chart is annotated by an RSI, a long-term MACD histogram moving average, a money flow index, and what is our proprietary high-low figures, which we haven't seen much of until last in February, at least on the weekly chart. But obviously the overall trend in these moving averages and so forth show us the way things have been going. Here's ITB on the daily chart view, and we can see we did have this low indicator here, which then was not perfect given where it wound up, and the subsequent reaction was some sideways movement a little bit higher. But the big news today is that there were only 394,000 home sales that occurred versus 487,000 expected, and the previous of 497,000 was revised lower to 455, and I would suspect that has to do with people who had signed contracts to buy but did not qualify because of what's going on with interest rates. And this is a very, very bad report, and I'm amazed that at ITB, for example, is not even lower. We have no position in ITB, and if there was a good inverse one or leveraged short one, we'd probably look at it. But for right now, we're just standing aside and watching this spectacle. Housing is a big deal, and for this to keep dropping and for the stock market to keep rising with this kind of out of sight, out of mind is really kind of a divergence. All right, that's it. Have a great day. We'll see you this afternoon, Dave's Daily. And if you're interested in following us as a premium member, you may take a free trial at the etfdigest.com.